Hey everyone, Elise with Dirt Road Dancing here, and I have an absolute fun and beginner dance for you. It's called Going to Old Town. It is a 4-wall 32 count dance choreographed by our good friend Kat Painter. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. It'll keep you updated on all the cool new dances that we are releasing. All right, it is time. Let's go learn. I'm gonna go ahead, turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, our very first set of 8 counts is we are going to start to grapevine to the right with a right and left heel kick out. Here we go. We're gonna step out with the right for 1, back 2, 3. We're gonna kick out that left heel for 4. We're gonna bring it back in for 5. We're gonna kick the right heel out for 6. Bring it back in for 7, and then kick that left out for 8. So you're just grapevine back and forth with those right and left heel kicks. We'll do that full counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3. Kick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, second set of 8 counts. So just like every good line dance, what we do to one side, we're gonna mirror to the other. So we ended with that left heel kicked out. So now we're gonna do grapevine to the left with those heel kicks. So we're gonna step out for 1, behind 2, 3, kick 4, 5, kick 6, 7, kick 8. All right, let's go ahead and put 2 and 2 together. So we're taking it to our first set of 16 counts. I'll count it out slow and then we'll count it out song speed. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We bind 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, kick 6, 7, kick 8. Bind 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, kick 6, 7, kick 8. Okay. Now, let's kick it up a notch. We'll go a little faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, third set of 8 counts. Super easy. All you gotta do is just move to the groove of those hips. All right? So we ended here with our right foot kicked out. So we're just going to bring it back and we're going to sway and hold, sway, hold, sway, hold, sway, hold. Okay, so let's put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 3 sets of counts. Here we go. We'll go first slower and then we'll go song speed. I'll turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bind 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's kick it up a notch. Let's go song speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, last set of counts, which is our official wall change. So we're gonna make a quarter turn to our left wall, just doing step taps. So what we're gonna do is, as we just swayed out, so we're gonna take that right foot and we're gonna start stepping our way to the wall to our left. So we're gonna step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Okay, what matters most is that you are making that quarter turn to the left and really technically How you get there is up to you. So you can add in a fun variation if you'd like. Otherwise, we want to make sure that we are step tapping as we go along. All right, so with the counts, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, all the counts. Here we go. Taking it from the top, facing this way, going slow, then going song speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's kick it up a notch. Taking it song speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there you have it. That's the whole dance. So if you are ready to come dance it out with me, click the link above and it'll take you to the Stomp It Out video. All right, I'll see you on the other side.